Okay, I'm gonna kind of give you some hints for the homework on 7.4, which is log functions, okay? So in 7.4, let me go ahead, your homework was on page 503. Let me go ahead and start with number 9. Okay, in number 9, you're asked to solve for the log base 7 of 49. Now what I want you to be able to do is kind of run this counterclockwise circle. This looks like this. So basically 7 to the x equals 49. Okay, so that's how we'll do this. We'll go 7 to the x equals 49, and 7 times 7, or 7 squared, is 49, so x equals 2. Let me go ahead and do another one. We'll do number 11. In number 11, it's the log base 2 of 64. What does that equal? Okay, we'll do the same thing. We'll go 2 to the x, or to the answer, is 64. So we'll write 2 to the x equals 64. And what, when you raise 2 to what number do you get 64? Well, when you raise 2 to the 6th, so x equals 6, because 2 to the 6th is 64. Let me go ahead and do one more on this section, number 13. In number 13, it's the log of a half. Okay, log base a half of 8. And again, we're going to run the same structure here. So 1/2 to the x equals 8. Now, one of the things you can do here is, if you don't know what 1/2 is raised to get 8, is we can rewrite a half as 2 to the negative 1, because 2 to the negative 1 is a half. And we can use power to power rules here. When we raise 2 to the negative 1 and then to the x, that's the same thing as 2 to the negative x equals 8. And then what we can do is we can redefine 8 in terms of 2 and say 2 to the negative x equals 2 cubed, because 8 is 2 cubed. And if you are able to get these numbers, these bases here, to be the same, okay, then these have to be equal to each other. Negative x has to equal 3, so x equals negative 3. Okay, we're going to do more of those in class, but this is a little bit trickier, but you do need to know how to do that. Let me continue on, do a few more homework problems for you. On page, the next page, 504, number 29. Okay, these get into some of the special rules that we went over in class. When these are the same, the answer is the exponent. So that's your answer for number 29. Okay, that's just a special rule. In number 33, it's a little bit trickier. Okay, the rule is not in place here because this 3 and this 81 are not the same. However, we can rewrite 81 as 3 to the 4th. Okay, and we can use power to power. And so what we've done is we've taken the original problem and we've forced it into the rule. Now these are the same. So your answer is 4x. I'll do one more for you. I'll do number, actually you needed to do some graphing. I won't do that here, but I will do one. I'll do number 37, which is finding an inverse. And in number 37, you were asked to find the inverse of this. And we're going to use the same rule we used in last chapter. We're going to swap the x's and the y's. And after you do that, what I want you to do is I want you to rewrite this, but switch the order. Put the log term on the left, okay, and the x on the right. And then remember the rule. It's this counterclockwise motion. 8 to the x equals y, which I can rewrite as y equals 8 to the x, and that's your answer. So good luck with that.